guys, don't show how to enable compact mode in Zen Browser, but before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So open Zen Browser and head over to the left side bar where you control your tabs on Zen Browser. Click on that mouse click. You'll find here the option to enable compact mode. So when you click on this will enable the compact mode Zen Browser, meaning the left side bar of Zen Browser holding the tabs will be displayed only when necessary, and well, here we don't need it, so it will be hidden. But if you move your mouse to the left side bar, it will appear, and if you move it away to the center of the page, it will disappear. So this is the compact mode option, and this is pretty much it, guys. To enable it, disable it, just head over and click on the right mouse click and click on enable compact mode. So this will result in the normal mode to be enabled. This is pretty much it, guys. If you found the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.